What up, y'all? Tim Z here, back at it again, like you can always expect. Know what I mean? Today, just coming at you with something quick. Know what I mean? Press and flip Milwaukee Fastback folding knife. I bought this from Home Depot, and it was $14.97, something like that. So let's get opening this. Okay. I don't even know why I bought this. Do I need another knife? No, I don't. Do I want another knife? Yes, I do. So that's about it. Isn't that why we all buy knives? Lifetime, limited warranty. Not even sure what that really means. So, damn, that was a snappy sound. Not bad. I didn't even feel the action yet. So this knife can be opened by... All right, that... Hell no, you cannot open it with that little cutout. You can only open it from the button. Okay, so it takes a little flick, and it's some kind of polymer plastic handle, completely closed back. Does it shut from the button? No, it doesn't. It's only a liner lock shut. But hear that sound. I heard some nice stuff from this when I shut it the first time. Damn, yo. If anything, just that sound makes this knife intriguing. Can you hear that shit? Would it be nice if you could shut it with the button? Yes, but liner lock is fine too. That's a nice sound, guys. I mean, for a $14 knife, that sound is satisfying. This might need a little oil or something. Oh, look at that. I see something shiny down there. Is that phosphor bronze? Washers in a $15 knife? Not bad. Some expensive knives have that. Oh, okay. So this is not one of these knives that are gonna open quietly. So don't use this in the office if you don't want to be noticed, because it takes a big flick and it's loud. It's pretty deep carry, only a little bit sticking out. But it's a nice sound. Wow. All right. Pocket clip, tight enough. Everything here is smooth, guys. You're not gonna cut yourselves. Look at that tip. Centering is on point. Let's feel the blade here. It's kind of dull. Yeah, it's dull, guys. That's pretty dull, but it's alright. Oh, shit. Okay. That blade is pretty dull, guys. I'm not gonna bullshit with you guys here. Yeah, it's slipping on my fingernail. That's dull, guys. But you can sharpen it up real quick. And it has a nice sound when deploying. Oh, shit. And closing especially. Hear that sound? Closing is nice. Alright, guys. That's all. Less than 5 minutes for this $15 knife from Milwaukee. Anyone know what the lifetime warranty means on this knife? Does it mean if you break this knife, you can get another one for free? I don't even know how long they've been producing this knife. So even if you break it 5 years down the line, they might not make it no more. But yeah, guys. My favorite part of the knife is the sound when shutting it. Yeah, guys. So until next time, Tim Z out.